to
STEM fan video.
the STEM fan video. Yep, we're doing a video tonight, and because something came in the mail. What came in the mail?
Our Kiwi crate.
Our Kiwi crate. And we do these videos. It's our first Facebook Live. Hello, Riley. Look, Riley joined. And Anna joined. Riley and Anna are watching. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
And Mary, Mom joined. So we're putting together our first, our Kiwi crate for tonight. And we like to do stuff for our videos. We've done a few different things. What have we done, Max?
We've done our instant light powder.
It's a light called, what's it called?
Chemiluminescence.
Chemiluminescence.
Yeah.
Yep. And we've done a bunch of these. What are these?
Those are Kiwi crates.
These are Kiwi crates that have a bunch of science and other projects. So what's the name of our channel again?
STEM fan.
And what does that stand for?
Science, technology, engineering, and math.
Yep. And sometimes
Art.
art. Sometimes it's called STEAM. So when we do these videos, we always tell a joke. And I think Max has got a joke for us today. What's our joke, Max?
Rest in peace, boiling water. You'll be missed.
Rest in peace, boiling water. You will be missed. Get it? What if they don't get it, Max?
Look it up.
Look it up. Yep. So what are we looking at today? What are we doing for our video?
We are doing a powerful pump.
Powerful pump, right?
But we can't really do it, but he's
Missing. We found out it's missing one piece, the bendy tube, which is
mostly for all
pretty important for all the stuff. But we found out we still can do the air pump.
And
so we're gonna do that.
The funny faces.
Yep. Okay. So we're gonna follow these steps. So first, we're gonna. You want to read step 1?
This is with the bendy tube.
No, this one's. We can do it without it.
Place the cork in the table, then put the number 4 side down, and then put a yellow plastic flap over the hole.
All right. There we go. And then, so we gotta put the 4 side down. You want to put the 4 side down? 4 side is down. And then we're gonna take this. And we're gonna put it right like that. And then we need 2 sticky foams over that hole. All right. Here you go. You want to put that back? Okay, you want to hold it right there? Okay, we got them. Actually, we need to. Here, let me see it real quick. We gotta put it just like this. We're gonna put 1 sticky foam there. And the other sticky foam right there. Oh, I think that's a little off. Just like that. All right, you want to peel off those white pieces. Nope. Nice. So this creates a little flap that can open up. Oh wow. Hope that stays on. Okay. It says don't put sticky foam over the holes. Got to put them on the side. And so what did we just make?
We just a flat valve.
Do you want to read what a flat valve is?
What is a flat valve? A flat valve is a type of one-way valve. It's like a door that only lets air or water through in one direction.
So it's like a valve. It only lets what through one direction?
Air and water.
So can air go through this way?
Nope.
But can it go through this way?
Yep.
Yep, and we could test that if we had our bendy tube, but we don't have our bendy tube. So we can't test it. So we're gonna skip that part, but we can still keep going. You wanna read number 3?
Step 3, find the white ring inside of the Duckbill Valve. Push
The what?
the Duckbill
Valve. Yep.
Push that end of the valve into the hole in the cord without yellow plastic flap.
Yep. All right. So we are going to push it on this side. All right, you want to push it in right there? There we go. Push hard. Nice. Okay. Now what?
Stretch a balloon over the thick part
Oh,
of
I think we're on step 4.
Twist the cork into the squeeze bottle until it's snug. Make sure the cork is flat, not tilted in the bottle.
Oh no.
What?
It's coming off. Here, I'm gonna redo that step with the yellow. Where'd those yellow pieces go?
Now we lost the yellow pieces.
Yeah, seriously. All right.
What's going on with that?
What is going on with that? Let's try it again. And then we're gonna take 2 of these and put that on there. What? How many people are watching this?
3.
3.
There should be like 25.
There should be 25. Maybe we'll get 25 eventually. Let's leave that on for a second. Let's see if we're supposed to take it off. I think we can leave those on actually. So let's just leave those on like that.
Why?
Because I think it'll stay on better. Okay, let's try getting it in. There we go. It worked. Okay. All right, I think we made it. Make sure it's flat, not tilted in the bottle. All right. Okay, don't push it too hard. It might break the valve on the inside. Okay, you want to reach step 5?
Stretch a balloon over the thick part of the valve.
All
For the
right.
squeeze bottle.
Which balloon you want to do? Okay, so you got to stretch that over. There we go. Nice. Yep, just like that. Okay.
Put the squeeze bottle on a table. Push down about 15 or 20 times until your balloon is filled. The balloons are small. Don't fill them up too much.
All right, ready? Don't do it yet. You think it's going to work?
Yes.
Let's see if our valve works and if air only goes through one way. Okay, keep trying.
No, that was the wrong way.
Keep trying.
That's not the yellow part.
Oh, you're right. Good spot. Good spot. All right, all right.
Now
now let's try. It's working. Yeah. Going. Whoops.
I think you need the sticky foam.
Whoops. All right, let's try it again. Our valve is almost working. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze down a little bit further. All right, try it again. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna hold that. Now look at it.
Oh no.
Oh, we lost.
That is hard to keep
It
on.
was hard to keep on, but it's working.
Push it a little down.
There we go. Don't push it down all the way. There we go. So our valve is working. Nice. All right. I think it's about done.
Wiggly.
All right. So you want to read step 7?
Pinch the tail of the balloon. Pull it off the pump. Pinch tightly so you don't let the air out.
All right. You want to pinch it tightly? Okay. So then it says, then slide a balloon clip onto the top of the balloon tail. Okay, hold it tight. Yep, just like that. We got one. Oh! All right, luckily we got a pump. We can pump it up again. Let's try pumping it again.
Pumping upinator.
Pumping upinator. Is that what we should call this? All right, try it again. Go a little slower this time. There you go. Nice. There you go. Don't push it all the way to the bottom. It's working. Remember what it's called? That's letting the air in like that. What do we make? A
valve.
A valve. Yep. Look how many people are watching us. There's 3. Want to say hi?
Hi!
All right.
Should be enough.
All right. You want to pinch it again? All right. Pinch it at the top. Okay. Now don't let it out yet. Ready? All right. And then I'm gonna grab it this time from you. And I think you just go like this. Whoop.
And put it through the hole.
Oh, and put it back. We go through one more time. Shoop. Just like that.
Go in.
You want to try it again? Let's try it again with another balloon.
I know it's gonna come off.
It's gonna come off. All right, I think that's good. Here, I'll squeeze it back in. There we go, nice and tight. Oops. There we go. Nice. There we go. Now you want to squeeze it?
He's like,
So, that is so cool. Why do you think it's not sucking the air back in? So we push the air in, why doesn't it suck it back in?
Do you see that little white?
Yeah, it's called a duckbill valve. The duckbill valve only lets air, does it let air go in both ways?
No.
Just one way, right? So, we were just engineering. We just engineered, Max. You want to try to put this one on? All right, ready? So yeah, let's put that on right there, and then bring it through this side. There you go. Yep, now down and back through. Yeah, you did it. There you go. So let's read about it, Max. Why don't you read this part right here about how does air get into the balloon?
When you squish the squeeze bottle, the air inside needs a way to get out.
Where's it gonna go? How does it get out?
Into the balloon.
Into the balloon, yep. Okay.
Inside needs a way. The flat valve blocks the air, but the duckbill valve lets the air through the filled balloon.
So the duckbill valve lets the air through, but the flat valve blocks it. Flat valve blocks the air, duckbill lets it through. Okay, you want to read that next part?
How does air get into the squeeze bottle? The duckbill valve stops the air in the balloon from escaping, but the flat valves allow air from the room to go in the squeeze bottle, filling the squeeze bottle with air again.
That makes sense? So the duckbill valve, that's this one, it stops the air from coming back in the balloon, but the flat valve allows the air to go through that hole. You see that? It's a valve.
So when you let go, it squeezes air in.
Yeah, so it does that, and then it says, how do we get air in there? And you remember we made that valve? The flat valve lets it back in. Should we see how big we can get it? You think it's going to explode? What's going to happen? Oh, here we go. Let's see what do you think is going to happen? Is it going to explode? Here we go.
That's enough.
Let's keep going. Let's keep going. What's going to happen?
That's enough. I want to keep it. I want to keep it.
You want to keep it? All right. You don't want to see it explode. All right. You think you can tie this one by yourself?
No, you do it.
Okay, let's do it. All right, and back over this way, and down and back through. There we go. It almost exploded. It got pretty big. There it is. Cool. All right, so we just made an air pump. We made an air pump.
Now we can make the balloon the faces.
We're gonna make the balloon faces next. Should we? Let's each make a face on one. Which one do you want?
I'm gonna make the nerd glasses.
The nerd glasses? Okay, I'll take this one. All right, so you just have to punch them out, and then you use the sticky foam things. Which balloon do you want?
I'm gonna have a blue one.
Well, we gotta use one of the pumped up ones. Which pumped up one do you want?
Biggest
The big one? All right, I'll take this little orange one. I'm gonna make mine a king. Over like the mouse. All right, let me see this. Oh, did we use the wrong one? Oh, maybe that was the one we were supposed to use. I bet that was the one we were supposed to use on the valve. cool king with glasses. What are you gonna make? The nerd?
The smartest nerd in whole
Smartest
history.
nerd? Smartest nerd in the whole history. Alright. Let's do these two.
How are you sticking it on?
You gotta use the foam stickers. Oh, it's coming together. Coming together. Anna! Anna's here! You wanna say hi to Anna?
Hi, Anna.
You think Bronco's watching?
I think.
Probably. Or Anna was there. Maybe she's gone now.
Ow.
Oh no, I lost my crown.
Don't go off the table, my dude. You got to stay with me.
Alright. There's mine. Funny King. The cool tongue sticking out sunglass king. How's yours looking? Ooh, oh, nice. It is. I'll hold it and you can finish it.
So, Max, you gonna put my hair on? Mustache?
Nope. Okay. Your hair.
You're gonna make a mustache my hair? I must ask you a question.
These are normally try to look when they're on a date or something.
Oh, yeah. Show the camera.
Dun dun dun.
Dun, dun, dun. You want to show this camera?